Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at A Game of Thrones, Hand of the King. This is a whimsical game of wits for 2 to 4 players, ages 14 and up. It was put out by Fantasy Flight Games around 2016. You can still find it at Walmart, I think, as of this recording in early 2020. Now inside we're going to see 35 character cards, 1 Varies card, 14 companion cards, 7 banner tokens, 4 three-eyed crow tokens, and 1 rule sheet. So let's open it up and take a look at it. Fantasy Flight, as you know, is one of my favorite companies as of last 15 years or so. They've been doing some amazing stuff. These cards should be standard size for their number 1 sleeves. Ooh, the box is really nice. Alright, so yeah, pretty sturdy little box. Got a little cartoonish art on the sides. Pretty cool. Alright, so we've got little cards. We got these like about the same size as a bar coaster. Rules sheet. And there's our banner cards. All right. Now this box is actually pretty well decorated. It's got a real nice feel to it, but it's not particularly sturdy. So it's like the old D&D box sets as far as quality goes. So over time it's definitely going to get crushed. So I would probably store it sideways. Alright, so here's the rules. It's a big fold out. I hate that. So pretty straightforward looking, very colorful. It's nice quality paper. I just don't like that it's a big poster thing because these usually get torn up pretty good. It does have a components list though. That's nice. Yeah, I really don't like that this is a fold out like that. It's usually a sign of cheapness, but it is nice quality paper. They just put it in a tiny box. Alright, then we've got our banners, which are in this nice envelope here. And these pop out. This says VA 100 and A. And then B. Alright. These are actually pretty nice. Good thickness. They do pop out very easily, it looks like. But it's about what you would expect from Fantasy Flight. Nice quality pieces. Okay, this stack has 36 cards in it. 35 of them are character cards plus 1 Varies card. So let's take a look at these first, and then we'll look at the other cards, which are the companion cards. And finally, right, these cards are actually very, very nice quality. They have a nice linen feel to them, decent thickness. So I'm actually really happy about this. This box set runs about $15, but you can find it cheaper on sale. I've seen it on sale at Walmart several times. So you can find it cheaper than what its main advertising price is. But if you're a big Game of Thrones fan, you'll probably want to add this to your collection. I've heard really good things about the gameplay. And it looks pretty straightforward. Alright, so here's our companion deck. And there are 14 of these. These are the smaller size cards, but they do make sleeves for them apparently. So, might be worth checking out. These are nice quality cards, but they will probably get torn up shuffling, like cards tend to do. And lastly, Odor. Okay, so it doesn't look like a very complex game. It looks pretty straightforward. The card quality is really nice. The box has a nice feel to it. They didn't cheap out on it, which they could have done because this is in major box store retailers. So, yeah, I mean, it looks good. The art is good for the style that it's in. It's not my style of art. It looks like it's based more off the books than the TV show, which is fine. But it's supposed to be for ages 14 and up, 2 to 4 players, 15 to 30 minutes. It's not unreasonable. And for a game you can sit down and throw together and carry it around in this nice compact little box, seems like it's a pretty good thing. So I'd be willing to give it a shot. If you're not a Game of Thrones fan, I would say try it and see what you think. It could be fun. And if you know the characters, you're going to have more fun, I think. Even though the show is over, the books are still very popular. So if you're into fantasy or you know someone that is, this might be a good gift for them. It's typically, like I said, $15 at most in the retail stores. But once it goes out of print, that's probably going to go up. So we've seen what's in the box. You've heard my opinion. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you want to help the channel in other ways, links are in the description and on the About page. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.